I'm proud to introduce our new 3D Series compact utility tractors with a gear drive transmission. Available in 3 horsepower levels, these tractors are designed to provide affordable, simple, and reliable power for a wide range of jobs, like pulling, tilling, cutting, and hauling. The gear drive transmission has 2 ranges and 4 speeds each, for a total of 8 in forward and reverse. And the controls are all within easy reach. When it comes to durability, these tractors come with a rugged drivetrain and heavy-duty components such as a large spiral bevel gear that's designed to deliver more torque and more power to the ground. And thanks to the long wheelbase and wide stance, the 3D also provides a smooth ride even over rough terrain. There's also an easy-to-reach fuel tank. It holds 10 gallons, so you can operate the tractor a full 8-hour day without refueling. These tractors deliver strong drawbar performance, and the 3-point hitch can lift almost 1,600 pounds. In addition, rear-mounted implements are easy to align and attach with optional telescoping draft links to save you time and effort. And to make rear PTO implements easier than ever to hook up, the 3D tractor can be equipped with the new John Deere Quick Connect system. Quick Connect utilizes one connector for the tractor PTO shaft and another for the implement. Now, there's no twisting or forcing to line up the splines. You just slide the tractor and implement connectors together until they click into place. The Quick Connect system is available for tractors up to 115 PTO horsepower on John Deere, Frontier, and other implements. There's versatility up front too, with the optional factory-installed 300E loader. Thanks to our 2-pump hydraulic system, you can easily steer and lift the loader at the same time. One pump is dedicated to steering and the second to other hydraulic functions. Our standard hydraulic power steering also helps to make driving around obstacles easy. And for added reliability, the steering linkages are located behind the front axle away from debris. Finally, these tractors come with our 6-year, 2,000-hour Powertrain Warranty. Anyone needing a capable, easy-to-operate, gear-driven tractor will appreciate the durability and exceptional value of these new 3D models.